I first learned to fiddle when I was in my 20s. I was a medical student in UCC in Cork. And I used to go down to a place called Sliabh Luachra, an area, but particularly to a town called Knocknagree. Some of you may know of it. It's the home of, or was the home of, that Sliabh Luachra style of fiddle playing. And what they tend to play down there is slightly different from the rest of Ireland, where there are lots of reels and jigs, and they play those also, but they play slides and polkas. So one of the things that I brought with me to Malaysia, to this bunch here, is a love of Sliabh Luachra polkas. So we're going to play some now for you. The first one is called Gerard Cousins. The second one is, I don't know what it's called. And the third one was actually taught to me by Shirley, and it's called Captain Moonlight's Army. Okay, so here we go. Some Sliabh Luachra polkas, and if you feel like getting up and doing some set dancing, there's lots of space out there.